Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Cuddy, dropping a new video for you guys here today. And in today's video, I'm gonna be working on my Nissan Altima. It's gonna be really quick and simple. I'm gonna be replacing my fog light. All right, so I'm gonna replace my fog light with a better LED lights. And the LED light that I'm gonna use here is this right here, the Lightning. And this right here is advanced LED light for automotive, premium and high illumination LED fog lights. All right, and the one I pick here is ice blue. And if you have a Nissan Altima from 2014 all the way to 2019, I believe you can use a H11. So this one right here, the one I have, is from 2017 2018, so you can definitely use a H11 for that. So yeah, I'm gonna be replacing my fog light, change it, upgrade my fog light into a better ice blue LED light. I mean, I've seen a lot of people use these blue lights on their headlights, but me, I'm not going to use it on my headlight. I'm going to be using it on my fog light. All right, and also I have dropped videos on how to replace your headlights and fog lights, and it's very easy and very quick, very simple. You don't have to take the whole bumper out. It's a very quick, simple way to reach to the headlight and the fog light. So I'm not going to go ahead and waste too much time and show you step by step on how to do it. I'm just going to go ahead and replace it just to upgrade and show you how it's going to look once I upgrade my fog light into a ice blue LED light. So that's what I'm going to be doing. All right guys, so I'm gonna go outside and let's go ahead and change these fog lights. I'm excited to see how they're going to look once I'm done. Let's go. There you go. Here goes my fog light right there at the bottom. So let me get to it real quick. Right there. So there's my fog light right here. Here's the new one. I'll open this up. There you go. Here goes the new fog light. Go ahead and connect that right here. There you go, connect it, and put it back in here. There you go. You guys can see it's back in place. All right, now we're gonna close this thing back up. Here's the clip, put the clip back. And that's it. Now we're gonna go do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so I was able to put it, like I said, you can't really see it from this angle, so it's done. I'll put everything back in place right here. Here goes the clip. Put the clip back. There you go. All done. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here goes the result, guys. It looks really good. Ice blue. My fog light is complete. I really like it. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit closer so you guys can see. It looks pretty nice. I'm gonna drop the link down below where you can actually go ahead and watch step by step on how to reach to your fog light and headlight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.